In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from Notion. Whether you're looking to print a document for a meeting, create a physical backup of your notes, or simply enjoy the tactile feel of paper, knowing how to print from this powerful tool is a valuable skill. Let's walk through each step, ensuring you feel confident and self-sufficient by the end of this tutorial. To start, open up your Notion application and navigate to the specific page you want to print. This is an important first step because the content you wish to print needs to be organized and prepped for printing. Once you have your desired page in front of you, take a moment to ensure that all the necessary information is included and organized the way you want. Check for any final edits or adjustments, as this will be your printed output. Now, with the page ready, it's time to right-click. If you're using a mouse, simply place your cursor anywhere on the page and click the right mouse button. For those using a touchpad, the equivalent is usually a 2-finger tap or pressing the bottom right corner of the touchpad. This action will bring up a context menu, offering various options tailored to the page you're working with. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Print. This might also appear alongside Export in some setups, depending on your operating system and Notion configuration. Once you've located Print, click on it. This will trigger your device to prepare for the printing process. You might notice your system taking a moment to compile the page's elements, especially if it's content-rich or includes images and complex formatting. At this juncture, your default print dialog box should emerge. Here, you have the opportunity to customize the print settings according to your needs. Consider options like the number of copies you wish to produce, the page range if you're printing multiple pages, and any further settings related to color, orientation, or two-sided printing. It's worth taking a moment to review these options, as they can enhance the final output's quality and utility. Before proceeding, ensure that your printer is connected, powered on, and stocked with paper. Double-check these practicalities because there's nothing more frustrating than realizing your printer isn't ready after you've initiated the process. Once everything is in place, hit that final print button within the dialog box. Your printer should whir into action, delivering you a tangible copy of your Notion page. And there you have it, a straightforward, effective